With 60/40th split folding, you expand cargo into the cabin. Interior is sensible design, comfortable and versatile. Materials are durable, built to last over family life. Whether stuck on the 6th of October bridge or heading out of town, it stays comfortable. A pleasant, user-friendly environment complements the Optra's role as a family workhorse. Chevrolet focused on fundamentals: space, comfort and usability over luxury. Next up, the Optra's simple and smart features, the tech that matters. The Optra doesn't skimp on essential tech, starting with the touchscreen. An 8-inch user-friendly screen sits at the heart of the dash. It's your hub for music, calls and vehicle settings. Phone pairing is straightforward: Bluetooth, Android Auto, and Apple CarPlay compatible. Multiple USB ports keep phones charged for everyone. Steering wheel controls let you answer calls without taking hands off the wheel. The instrument cluster uses clear analog dials plus a small digital readout. You get fuel level, average consumption and trip distance at a glance, all presented cleanly, not overwhelming. A capable AC system is essential here. It cools the cabin quickly. In Egypt's climate, that makes a big difference. Passengers stay comfortable even on scorching days. The UX is simple. You don't need to be a tech expert. Bluetooth, USB ports, easy audio, the tech you actually use. Smart functional tech that makes daily driving easier. It gives the conveniences you need without expensive systems that bump the price. Up next, the engine, transmission and driving feel, how it behaves on Egypt's roads. Lifting the bonnet reveals the heart. A tried and tested 1.5-liter 4-cylinder petrol engine. A simple, durable inline-4 built for reliability, known for straightforward engineering.